Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over how I made these chocolate pretzels for an under the sea theme party. We're going to start off by coloring our fondant. I am using Color Mill in the color purple. I have a tutorial on how I make my fondant. I think here on YouTube. It's a little bit older. I recently uploaded one on Facebook, but if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave it down below. So right here, I'm just adding a little bit of cornstarch to my mold because we don't want the fondant sticking to it. Okay, so you're going to want to remove carefully. You can also use chocolate. The reason why I like to use fondant is because you can make them so much faster. You just press on them and remove, and then you move on to the next one. This mold is so cute. I got it on Amazon and I'll be linking it down for you guys. I think it came with like different types of molds for under the sea theme. I like to have all my fondant details made before I start decorating just because I hate to do it at the same time. I feel like this way it goes so much faster. Now using the color teal from Color Mill, we're going to color our chocolate. Right here I am using almond bark. You're going to want to mix very well. And right here I'm just adding a little bit more because I wanted a more deeper blue. Now we're ready to dip our pretzels. Some people do it differently. I like to use the spoon and scrape it on the side as I'm covering the pretzel. As you guys can see right here, all the chocolate is falling off on the side of the bowl. Before the chocolate dries, we're going to be adding our sanding sugar. I am using the Great Value one in the color blue. You can also use clear sanding sugar, whatever works for you. Now we're going to let the chocolate set, and I am placing my chocolate pretzel on a silicone mat because it's non-stick. Right here I'm just adding a little bit more glitter because I want it to be really sparkly. Now again, I'm doing the same thing, covering the whole pretzel and then tapping off all the excess chocolate. Once you finish dipping all of your pretzels, we're going to start cleaning off our seashells. I'm just using a small brush with a little bit of water and removing all the cornstarch from before. Now that the chocolate hardened, we're going to start adding our drizzle. This is just the same blue chocolate in a Ziploc bag. And I'm going kind of slow and leaving some space in between each line. I wanted to leave some space in between each drizzle because I feel like it gives it some dimension. Make sure that you're going close to the pretzel so your lines are clean. I know mine are not that clean, but we can always do better. These pretzels were so simple, but I just feel like once you finish them all together, they're so pretty, and in person they were so glittery because of the sanding sugar and the added glitter. I also want to mention that I didn't add any glitter to the drizzle, so I just felt like it was just a different look. Now we're going to add some chocolate to our pretzel to stick on our little seashells. And then once you got that on there, I'm going to add a small pearl. This is a small sprinkle. Once our drizzle dries, we're going to get our chocolate pretzel and we're going to clean off the edges using a really sharp knife. This is a really important step because we want our presentation to be clean. I'll make sure to link everything I used down below, including this silicone mat. But yeah, you guys, this was all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more baking tutorials.